Varanasi, also known as Benares or Kashi, is one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world, with evidence of settlement dating back over 3,000 years. The city is located on the banks of the Ganges River, which is considered the holiest river in Hinduism and plays a crucial role in the spiritual life of the city. Varanasi is a major cultural and religious hub for Hindus, attracting millions of pilgrims each year who come to perform rituals and seek spiritual purification. The Ghats of Varanasi, a series of steps leading down to the river, are integral to the city's identity, with around 84 ghats used for bathing, prayers, and cremation. The Manikarnika Ghat is the most famous ghat in Varanasi, known as the primary cremation site where Hindus believe that dying here leads to liberation from the cycle of rebirth. The Ganges River is revered not only for its religious significance but also for its role in the daily lives of Varanasi's residents, who rely on it for water, transportation, and livelihood. Varanasi is home to the Kashi Vishwanath Temple, one of the 12 Jyotirlingas dedicated to Lord Shiva, making it a significant pilgrimage site. The city hosts the Ganga Mahotsav, a vibrant festival that celebrates the Ganges River, featuring cultural programs, music, and dance performances. The evening Ganga Aarti ceremony at the Dashashwamedh Ghat is a spectacular event where priests perform rituals with fire, chanting, and music, attracting thousands of spectators. Varanasi is known for its silk weaving industry, producing high-quality Banarasi silk saris that are sought after across India and beyond. The city has a rich tradition of music and arts, being the birthplace of various classical music styles, including Hindustani classical music and famous musicians like Ravi Shankar. Varanasi is also known for its diverse cuisine, offering a variety of street foods such as chaat, kakoris, and the famous Banarasi pan, a betel leaf preparation. The city is a center for learning, with several universities and institutions, including Banaras Hindu University, BHU, one of the largest residential universities in Asia. Varanasi has a unique cultural blend, where ancient traditions coexist with modern influences, reflected in its architecture, festivals, and daily life. The city is often referred to as the City of Light or City of Learning, symbolizing its historical significance as a center for knowledge and enlightenment. Varanasi has been a subject of numerous literary works, poems, and stories, inspiring writers like Mark Twain and Rabindranath Tagore. The city is home to many ancient temples, including the Sankat Mokan Hanuman Temple, dedicated to Lord Hanuman, attracting devotees seeking relief from troubles. The Varanasi region is also known for its vibrant arts and crafts, including metalwork, pottery, and wood carvings, showcasing the craftsmanship of local artisans. The city has a strong connection to spirituality and meditation, with many ashrams and spiritual retreats offering courses in yoga and mindfulness. Varanasi is often depicted in Indian cinema and popular culture, serving as a backdrop for various films that explore themes of spirituality and human experience. The Kashi Naresh, the titular king of Kashi, is a ceremonial position that has existed for centuries, representing the cultural heritage of Varanasi. The city experiences a unique phenomenon called Ghat flooding during monsoon season, where the Ganges rises and temporarily submerges some ghats. Varanasi has been a center of pilgrimage not only for Hindus but also for Jains and Buddhists, with significant sites like Sarnath, where Buddha delivered his first sermon. The architecture of Varanasi reflects a blend of Hindu, Islamic, and Mughal influences, seen in its temples, mosques, and historical buildings. The city has a vibrant marketplace, known as Vishwanath Gali, where visitors can shop for souvenirs, religious items, and traditional crafts. The tradition of ghats and river rituals in Varanasi is deeply rooted in the belief that water has purifying properties, both physically and spiritually. Varanasi is known for its unique festivals, such as the Dev Deepawali, when thousands of diyas, oil lamps, are lit along the ghats to celebrate the victory of good over evil. The city attracts a significant number of international tourists, drawn by its spiritual allure, cultural heritage, and historical significance. Varanasi has a rich oral tradition, with countless stories and legends passed down through generations, enriching its cultural tapestry. The Banaras Hindu University, established in 1916, has played a vital role in promoting education, research, and cultural activities in the region. The city has a network of narrow lanes, known as Gali, where visitors can explore local shops, eateries, and hidden temples, providing a glimpse into daily life. Varanasi is known for its vibrant festivals, including Holi, Diwali, and Makar Sankranti, which are celebrated with great enthusiasm and elaborate rituals. The city's unique blend of spirituality and commerce is evident in the bustling markets that coexist with sacred spaces. Varanasi's cultural significance extends beyond religion, as it is a hub for philosophy, literature, and the performing arts. The presence of numerous ashrams in Varanasi highlights its role as a center for spiritual learning and self-discovery. The city hosts various art and cultural events throughout the year, showcasing traditional dance, music, and theater. Varanasi's unique geographical location along the Ganges has contributed to its historical role as a trade and commerce center. The rituals performed on the ghats often involve offerings to the river, symbolizing respect and gratitude towards nature. Varanasi has been a site for many important historical events, including the establishment of various dynasties and the spread of religious movements. The city has a distinct rhythm of life, with daily rituals and practices that are integral to the community's spiritual and cultural identity.